Summertime, Azerbaijan is known for its breakfast, just like Turkey. So let's learn some food words, the main ones. In Master Azerbaijani word of today, you've got today TOYUQ. TOYUQ. It's a protein that is consumed the most on earth, which is chicken, hen, or chicken meat. Now, phrases. Roast chicken, laying hen, lean chicken meat. Let's see. Qızardılmış TOYUQ. Kızartmak. Here's the thing. In English, there is multiple ways of frying, roasting, toasting. In Azerbaijan, it's all called qızardılmış. Now, laying hen, yumurta verən TOYUQ. Literal translation, the chicken that gives egg, basically. Yumurta, egg, verən, the one that gives TOYUQ, chicken. I.e. laying hen. Lean chicken meat. Which meat we call lean? The one that has no fat, right? That is why Azerbaijan translation says yağsız, without fat, yağ, fat, yağsız, without. TOYUQ eti, chicken meat. There you go. Now sentences. Axşam yeməyi üçün sobada qızardılmış toyuq hazırladıq və yanına biberiyeli kartof, təzə salat və limonlu sous əlavə etdik. Yummy. For dinner, we prepared roast chicken in the oven and added rosemary potatoes, a fresh salad, and lemony sauce on the side. Now, akşam yemeği, it's a dinner. Üçün, for. Sobada, in the oven. Qızardılmış toyuq, roast chicken. Hazırladık, we prepared. Hazırladı, he, she, it prepared. Hazırladık, we prepared. That's the difference of the suffix at the end. Otherwise, hazırlamak, to prepare. Infinitive form. Ve yanına, added on the side. Basically, yanına əlavə etdik. If you look at it, see over here, yanına əlavə etdik here. Added on the side. Let's see what. Biberiyeli kartof, rosemary potatoes. Technically, biberiye, rosemary, biberiyeli with rosemary. Təzə salat, fresh salad. Limonlu sauce, lemony sauce. All right, next one. Kənddə nənəmin həyətindəki hində toyuqlar hər səhər aləmi bir-birinə vurur. Biz də təzə yumurtaları dərhal yığıb günə isti çayla başlayırıq. Nostalgia. Let's see. In the village, the chickens in the coop in my grandmother's yard turn the place upside down every morning with their racket. And we immediately gather the fresh eggs and start the day with hot tea. In the village, kentte, kent, village. Nenemin həyətindəki hində, nenemin, my grandma's, həyətindəki yard, hində, in the coop, toyuqlar, the chicken, hər səhər, every morning, aləmi bir-birinə vurur. Turn the place upside down with their racket. Cluck, 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 cluck. Biz də, and we, təzə yumurtaları, the fresh eggs, dərhal yığıb, immediately gather, günə, the day, isti çayla, with hot tea, başlayırıq, start. Nice. Today's word was toyuq. How can we use it? Maybe keep toyuq and the rest in English. I budgeted for salad, but my appetite upgrades me to toyuq. To support you in your journey, I have masterozergy.com, where I've been posting blogs since November 2025 every 10 days on multiple topics. If you are interested in history, cultural aspects of the language and the country, check it out. If you're interested in grammar and language overall, still check it out because I have plenty there. I also have Master Azerbaijani app that I have built available in App Store and Google Store. Feel free to download and start your journey there. I'm giving Module 1 away completely free, which is the foundational module. Highly recommended to do it multiple times. Also, I'm giving away vocabulary there from all the modules there, including future modules. Check those out. Otherwise, come back tomorrow for new protein, perhaps. Cheers.